Hey guys, Jules, Kain here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over Turning Around for Me, recorded by VaShawn Mitchell. This song is going to be in the key of A flat. So let's start off with the intro. You're going to be playing this. You're playing an A flat chord, an arpeggio. Then you're going to play a B major 7. This is a B chord. You add the B major 7 interval there. Then you're going to play an A, drop 2. It's an A over D flat. Then you're going to play A flat over E flat. Then D flat over F to E flat over G to A flat. And I like to play out the melody. Turning around for me, turning around for me. Cool. Let's do it again. Okay, let's go through the first verse. So, sometimes discouraged, but not defeated, cast down, but not destroyed. There are times I don't understand, but I still believe it's turning around for me. Okay, so the first two verses, same chords. I'm going to do D flat major 7 to A flat over C to E flat over G to A flat. Then you're going to do D flat major 7 to A flat over C, to B flat over D, to E flat. And then you're going to do this interval here on the major 6s. Again. At full speed. Then there are times I don't understand, but I still believe. Then we're going to go to B flat minor 7. Your right hand. It's turning around for me. Then you're going to do this. After you go D flat over F to E flat over G. Let's try it again. I've had struggles and disappointments. There are times I've felt so all alone. Some of my friends, they let me down, but I still believe it's turning around for me. Okay, then the next section. Around for me. Around for me. For me, it's turning around for me. So very simple. It's just doing an A flat around for me to B flat minor 7 to an A flat over C to a D flat minor. can change that bass from D flat to B flat to make it a B flat half diminished or minor 7 flat 5. Then you're going to go to A flat over E flat. Around for me, it's turning around for me. And that's just D flat over F, E flat over G, to A flat. We've gone through that. So let's try it again. Around for me, around for me, around for me, it's turning around for me. All right, then we go to the next section. I can see the breaking of day. God is making a way. Change is coming for me. If I stand strong and believe, there's no reason to doubt. Know that He's working it out. He's turning around for me. Okay, so you're just playing a flat, D flat major 7, to E flat over G. We go to D flat over F, E flat over G, to A flat. Same thing. Don't can believe. There's no reason to doubt. This time we're going to go to E flat. Then we're going to go to C7 flat 9. I know that He's working it out. F minor 7. Then turning around for me. You can do that a lot when you go back to the 1. Okay, so then we're going to go to It Won't Always Be Like This. So you're going to be playing It Won't Always Be Like This. So you're just playing A flat, D flat major 7, B flat minor 7, D flat major 7, to E flat. Very simple. The Lord will perfect that concerning me, and sooner or later, you go to A flat to D flat major 7, it'll turn A flat over E flat, turn in my favor. It's turning around for me. Then you do it again. It will always be like this. The second time you're going to play this little lick here. In the context, it sounds like it won't always be like this. The Lord will perfect that concerning me, and sooner or later turns in my favor. Got it? So then, next you're going to do sooner or later. You're going to walk it up. It'll turn in my favor. So, you're going to walk up after they ramp up. Sooner or later. E flat minor. To an F sharp 913, and that's just going down the scale. D flat melodic minor. So that's anything that you want to improvise in. So sorry. Turning around for me. So, sooner or later, it turns in my favor. Then you're going to do a 7/3/6. Minor 7 flat 5, turning around, C7 or flat 9 to F minor. Then you're going to go to that F sharp. So you can say F sharp 9 13, or you can do D flat over E. How they're all notes in the same scale, so you have a little bit of freedom of expression. And then you go back to here, then turning around for me. Alright, so then after that, you're going to play a little interlude, which is just doing an A flat, B flat, the 2, A flat over 3, C as the 3. Then you're going to go to this cool little it's like playing an E major 9. My left hand, I'm just playing a spread out 10th of an E chord. Playing a B chord on my right hand. Then an E flat minor, second inversion. Then this is going to be, you can think an E flat diminished, second inversion. Then to first inversion of the C sharp minor. So as VaShawn is talking, around for me, you go to here, around for me, around for me. There, and then A flat down for me, around for me, around for me, around for me, around. And that's just an E flat chord. Around for me. Through these chords, around for me. Okay, then the next section. Oh, actually, there's one more section. Let's see. After you're doing the little run here, around for me. Around for me, it's turning around for me, it's turning around for me, turning around. So it's just doing a C sharp, E flat, then you're going to do a C sharp over F or D flat over F to E flat over G, turning around, turning around, turning around. Then we go to break out to It Won't. It won't always be like this. The Lord will perfect that concerning me. That lick there, by the way, it was just an A diminished. You hear that on the recording. So he's doing an A flat. Da-da. Then he goes to the B flat minor, D flat. Okay. And then sooner or later, as we're finishing the song, the vamp at the end. I know you got to believe all things work together for the good. it right now. So it's just A flat over C to D flat to A flat over E flat to D flat over E, D flat minor. And that, after the vamp, wraps up the song. You can just end it. Turning around for me. It's turning around for me. All right. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate all the support, likes, and comments. Please subscribe and like. Hey, go back through some of the other videos I've recorded, and please like and comment on those if you haven't seen those. And I will be back with more tutorials very soon. Until next time, take care, guys.